Hello all, very good evening. This is Karthik from RajCloud Technologies. First of all, I welcome you all to today's Snowflake DBT and ADF first demo session. I hope you can see my screen, right? Can you please confirm me in the chat again? Is everyone able to see my screen? Who joined from the mobiles as well? Can someone confirm me, please? Okay. Good to hear. Good to hear. Thank you so much for that. So once again, I welcome you all to today's Snowflake DBT and ADF demo introduction class. Before starting the session, so please visit our YouTube channel. This is our YouTube channel, Raj Informatica Real-Time Hands-on Job-Based Training. So this is our YouTube channel. If you can see here, like we have almost 35.9K subscribers already, and we have uploaded 439 plus videos here. Okay, so if you can just visit our channel. So we have uploaded the videos related to generative AI, Informatica Cloud. Okay, so Informatica Power Center, React.js, Informatica Cloud, Power BI, Snowflake, Salesforce, AWS, Azure, Power BI, cybersecurity, and many more. Okay, so many more like useful videos are available in our YouTube channel. Okay, visit our YouTube channel once. If you like the content, like the videos, comment on them, subscribe to the channel for more videos. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. I'm just like sharing the channel link with you over Zoom chat. Yes, I have just shared the channel link with you. Okay, so using this link, you can just subscribe to the YouTube channel as well, so that you'll get all our updates. Whenever we upload a new video, you'll get the updates as well. Okay. Yes. So this is our YouTube channel. Sorry, this is our website, razinformatica.com. Okay. Initially it was Raj Informatica, and now it is RajCloud Technologies. If you can see at left top corner, you can see that Raj Informatica is now RajCloud Technologies. Okay, initially like we started with Informatica Power Center and Informatica Cloud trainings 4.5 years ago, and we have added like many cloud technologies now. So that is the reason why like we changed it from Raj Informatica to RajCloud Technologies. This is our website and this is our home page. Okay, so if you just scroll down a bit in our home page, you can able to see whatever we are providing the courses. Okay, so what and all we are providing all the courses. You can see here software trainings we offer: generative AI, React.js, AWS data engineering, Azure data engineering, Snowflake in the combination of DBT and ADF, Informatica Power Center, Informatica Cloud IaaS IDMC, artificial intelligence with machine learning, cybersecurity, Microsoft Power BI, GCP, Google Cloud, GCP professional certification training, SAP S4 HANA and FICO training, Python full stack development, Python for AI and chat GPT, Salesforce and AWS and DevOps. These are courses that we are offering right now. Very soon we are about to start Informatica MDM and IDQ as well. So both the cloud versions also, CDQ and MDM SaaS as well. So we are about to start. So mostly from August first weekend, you can see the like Informatica MDM and Informatica like IDQ courses as well. Okay, so just above this, there is a section called upcoming free live sessions. That means like whoever joined today's session, in the same way, we will be conducting on different courses the same kind of sessions. You can see the today's session as well here. Snowflake DBT and ADF 30th July at 7 p.m. In the same way, tomorrow we have Azure, and day after tomorrow we have generative AI. Okay, so in this way, we have all the upcoming free live demo sessions as well. So for all the demo sessions, you can get the link here in our website homepage. Okay, from here, you can just click on join now and you can fill the form and you can get the details. I think like most of the people join from here itself about this session. Okay, yes. So let me get into the complete information about Snowflake. First of all, you can just click on, you see apart from these courses, you can also see many other information in our website regarding interview questions. You can see Power Center, Snowflake, AWS, Oracle, IaaS, IDMC. Many interview questions are also available. Many useful materials are also available. You can access these for free of cost. Okay, you can access all these interview questions and materials for free of cost. And we are offering internship programs as well for freshers. These internship programs are exclusively for only freshers. Got it? Yes. If you just go to the courses section here, you can find out all our courses. Whatever the courses we are offering right now, all the courses you can check out here. Okay, in that I'm just clicking on the Snowflake trainings. whenever you click on the Snowflake trainings, you'll get the complete information about the Snowflake training and the timings, everything. You can see here, the Snowflake DBT and ADF, a new batch is starting from 30th July, that is from today. Okay, that is from today. So if you just close the things, like we have a 2 batches, both morning and evening. Okay, and you can see the complete information about the Snowflake here again, the technologies taught, the course unique features, course curriculum. Okay, so you can just like scroll down and you can check out the complete information about the course content and everything. Okay, and what and all you're going to learn like after completion of this course, about your instructor, everything you can find out here. Got it? Yes. So I'm just like sharing this link as well with you over chat. Okay, if you want, you can use this link and you can check out the complete information about the Snowflake trainings. Got it? So before handovering the session to Sai Sri Garu, I just like want to give you some more information about the training, the timings and everything, the basic information. Generally, the basic information about the training, timings and classes, everything. Okay. So our course is Snowflake DBT and ADF program. Okay. It is a 50-day program. Okay. Please don't annotate my screen. Yes. Sorry for that. Yes. Okay. So this program is Snowflake DBT and ADF program. And this course duration is 50+ days. 50 days to 2 months we will take. And we are going to deliver 70+ hours of course content we are going to deliver here. Okay. And the course fee is 15,000 rupees. But there is some special offer is available. Okay. Just to stay connected till end of the session, you are going to get the special offer as well. Okay. Just to stay connected till end of the session, you are going to know about the special offer as well. And then you can plan your enrollment as well. Got it? Yes. So generally, like we have 2 batches, both morning and evening. Okay. The morning batch is recently started. Okay. It is already started. The morning batch is already started and we have done with few classes as well. Okay. And the evening batch, this is starting today. This is starting today. And the evening batch timings are 5 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. IST. Daily from Monday to Friday, we'll be having 5 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. IST. These are the class timings. Okay. And so the first 2 weeks, we will be having alternative days. That is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And after 2 weeks, we'll be having continuous classes from Monday to Friday. Got it? Yes. In this Snowflake DBT and ADF program, we are going to learn about one real-time project, the complete information about the Snowflake and DBT, and glimpse of ADF and AWS as well. So we are going to know about more about these things here with Sai Sri Garu. Okay. So we are going to clear one real-time project as well. And each and every session recordings we are going to provide you. Okay. Every recording we are going to provide you. Don't need to worry about that. And you can access these recordings for lifetime. Okay. And as I said, the batch is going to start from the 1st of August. Today is a demo session. Today is a demo introduction class. And the actual classes start from 1st of August. Okay. Yes. For registrations, you can just contact us on this number 8105296858 and 63616381108. These two are the WhatsApp and calling numbers of officially RajCloud Technologies. You can use these numbers and you can contact us regarding this. Okay. So I'll just explain you about all these things at the end of the program once again. Okay. Now I'm going to hand over the session to our trainer Sai Sri Garu. So we'll just take a sharp 1 minute break. Sharp 1 minute break. Okay. And share your name and WhatsApp number. Share your name and WhatsApp number. Okay. So that we will add you to the Snowflake DBT and ADF real-time project discussion group, where you people can discuss about the program, and many officials are there, many working professionals are there, and many of our alumni are also there in this group. Okay. So where you can interact with them, and you can get to know more about Snowflake and DBT as well, and the opportunities currently, and about the project discussion and many things. Okay. To get all this information, just start sharing your name and WhatsApp number in the chat box. Okay. Within 1 minute, we'll start the technical content. Okay. Yes. Irfan, like the batch is recently started. Okay. You can contact me personally for this. And the class timings will be morning 8 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. IST. Okay. This is what the morning batch timings. You can contact me on this number personally after the session. That is 8105296858. This is the number. I'll be available on this number. from morning 8 a.m. to night 11 p.m. I'll be available. Okay, you can give me a call on this number. Okay, call or message, anything is fine. I'll connect with you. Keep sharing your name and WhatsApp numbers. Okay, we will add you to the Snowflake DBT and ADF real-time project WhatsApp group where you can discuss the complete things about the Snowflake and all. Okay. Keep sharing your numbers in the chat or to Sai Sri or to me. Like you can share with anyone of us. Okay. You can see, you can directly message to co-host as well. You can directly message to host as well, or you can post in the group meeting as well. Okay, anywhere you can post. Yeah, the time is done. I think still people are sharing. You can keep sharing, not a problem. Not a problem. You can keep sharing. Okay. I'll give the unmute access also for everyone. I'll give the unmute access as well. Okay. Once Sai Sri explanation is done, then I can help you with the like unmute access as well. So now I'm handing session to Sai Sri. Sai Sri, over to you, please.
Okay. So someone asked about morning class, I think so, Karthik. Message I got.
Yes, I have seen Irfan message, and I have just like guided him like how to contact me as well.
Okay, fine. Let me go with my class. So, hi everyone. Good evening. So, myself is Sai Sri. I am going to train you end to end of Snowflake, DBT, ADF, end to end till resume preparation. All guidance will be done by me. And here I'm going to cover Snowflake, DBT, and ADF topics. And myself, I have overall 10 plus years of experience in IT, 10 plus. And previously worked with big data, and later on completely I moved to Snowflake, technology, and trainings also 5 plus years. From 2020 onwards, I am giving the Snowflake trainings also. And I have good experience in like a live projects at the same time trainings also. So based on, please don't touch the screen. Based on the requirements, I mean based on your profile, who is having IT gaps, non-IT, and who is having career related gaps, any combination of profiles I am able to handle with by preparing a resumes. So you no need to worry on that. So completely here I'm going to take care about your about the technologies and also mock interviews, resume preparation, career guidance as per your profile issues. Based on your profile, guidance will be added, and all this I'm going to handle. So myself, I done all, completely 5 years, 2020 almost completely I worked with Snowflake, and later on I added DBT, later on I added ADF also. So this is the current market right now in the market. This is the trending requirements we have. So if you know Snowflake, DBT, ADF, it is you can apply for Snowflake jobs only, or Snowflake with the DBT jobs, or Snowflake DBT with ADF jobs. So completely without ADF or DBT, you won't get the job means no, but you will, I mean opportunities will be reduced. That is the reason. Whatever the trend is there in the market, that trend we are following in our training. Okay, so coming to here, who is coming from non-IT, you'll have a lot of doubts, or who is having completely no IT background, no IT background. Okay, even IT background, if you have also, you may go with the different technologies, right? You may not have touch with these technologies. So all combination of people, I'm saying, I will go with every day. I will go with the classes with your. I mean, at the end, I will give the our time to ask the questions. I'll clear it out and I will leave the session. So every day it will be regular practice. So every day you can connect with me with your doubts. You can ask me the questions on the existing topic or previous topics. That all discussion will be as usual. Okay. And yeah, this is about myself. And today, why we want many people have to understand here why I need to learn Snowflake first of all. So DBT and ADF will be like add-on, no need, no worries on that. But why Snowflake mainly? This is the primary skill, right? So that's the reason I'm saying. Before going to the Snowflake, why Snowflake? Before going that, what is there in the market? Why we want to switch to this technologies means already market is available with databases and data warehouse. DWH means data warehouse. So already it is available. So database is nothing but OLTP. Data warehouse is nothing but OLAP. Okay, the OLTP and OLAP. These are the things. So online transfer process. Okay, two options. So what is database? Who don't know this basic information? It will be helpful. So what is database means? It is a tech. I mean, with the help of database, we can capture the real-time data. With the data warehouse, we can capture the near to real-time data, but it helps us to do analytical process. In databases, we cannot do an online, I mean, analytical process we cannot do. So the only real-time data it will capture. But with the data warehouse, online analytical process, we can capture the reports also. We can analyze the data. Why Sai Sri? Actually, we have to do all this work means. See guys, already we have lot of companies in the market, lot of products, lot of competition, services, a lot of things are going in the market, right? For example, Amazon I will take. Okay, today Amazon is big company for us, but initially it's a very small startup company only, right? So it started for the delivering the goods to us, products to us, and the software services. It tried for multiple ways it tries business generally. But very near to us, even uneducated people also know Amazon is the website where it helps us to deliver the orders, nothing but products, right? So if you observe, if we observe any product in the Amazon, initially they will deliver to us. If we order, they will deliver to us based on the rating, based on the feedback of the customer, based on the purchases, customers purchasing count. All this they will calculate and they will decide this item is good in the market or not. What to improve, where to improve, what customers are expecting. This all analysis will happen on under each and every product actually, right? So the product analysis, how it is happening? Because they have analytics at the background. They will do analytics. It's a big company, big platform actually. I cannot do manually, we cannot achieve this. So with the data warehouse concept, they can analyze their business easily. Where the drawbacks, where the advantages, how to stabilize, and drawbacks, how to improve. So this all work is happening with the help of analytics only. That analytics we can achieve with the data warehouse. So this is a simple example I'm saying. Now, not only this technology, guys, not only Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, anything you can touch. Meesho, mainly Meesho is very small scale industry, small business, online business, very small business. Initially, nobody are interested to touch that. Now, lot of promotions are happening, lot of products that people are using. How it improved? Because of analytics only. At the back end, every company will check the analytics of their business to identify how it is happening, where to improve, where to modify. So finally, my point is without analytics, no business can improve, right? So that analytics we are achieving through the with the help of data warehouse. That data warehouse now after this background, companies are so after this companies after this lockdown, companies are not interested with the traditional data warehouse, or else we have a lot of traditional data warehouses actually, but still companies are interested with the cloud data warehouse. That is the reason Snowflake came into the picture. Now, why we want to learn the Snowflake means Snowflake is a cloud technology and cloud data warehouse also, which will have always demand in the market. If you see anywhere layoffs, still Snowflake have market. If you keep resume, you'll get the interviews. The cracking the interviews is our option, right? But you'll get the calls. How many layoffs, how many IT have down also, we will get the calls because completely so many projects are moving to Snowflake because of cloud and it's a combination of data warehouse. So Snowflake is a cloud data warehouse case. That is the reason it is the best technology to learn today. It is a requirement for every business, right? Every client will expect this kind of technology. That is the reason. And also, this technology is purely saying only pay whatever you are using. Pay per use. Means if you use one TB data, only pay for that. Two credits only pay for that. So how much we are using, that much only it is asking to pay. It's very friendly to the customers, I mean our clients, and it's very friendly to our developers also. That is the reason this technology from 2021, I won't say 20 also, 20 nobody knows this technology, including HRs also don't know, also don't know. I experienced it personally. 21 mid of 2021, this technology got lot of opportunities. Still, it is running. In lockdown, also, so many people are able to go with the Snowflake because of the high demand, less people. So cloud always be in the high level only. How many changes happen in IT also? Finally, they will depend on warehouse concepts. They will depend on the cloud technologies. That is the reason you can learn Snowflake. So I used to so many are there in the cloud also. I can go to Redshift, right? I can go with the BigQuery, right? Like this, you can ask me, no problem. But Redshift, you are saying clearly Redshift is only for AWS. BigQuery, you are saying only for GCP. But Snowflake is not like that. It can host on top of any technology. It's completely, it is able to host on any combination of technology. I mean, cloud providers mainly. So it have its own way to make it a uniqueness. So that's the reason you have to learn Snowflake. Okay, this all we can keep aside. Whatever till now what I explained, let us keep aside. If really no benefit with Snowflake technology, why clients are going with the Snowflake? They actually pay. Who is paying the money means clients, not we or our companies. Client is coming forward. Client is agreeing with the technology. Client is hiring us and paying our salaries. So our company is intermediate only, mediators only between us, between technology, between client. I mean between with these companies, whatever the companies we are working as a payroll, they are mediators. So client is showing a lot of interest on Snowflake. So our company people are hiring us and like asking us to work with the client generally. So already who just we are they are paying the salaries. We only thinking this much it is better to go with this technology or not. Then how client have to think because he is paying the amount to technology and paying the amount to us. Both direction he is paying. How many times, how many directions he will check and one technology already integrated means minimum 10 years they won't move already from 2000 from long back I'm working 2021 I saw a lot of opportunity till today also we have the same I mean lot of opportunities available in Snowflake same like 2020 to 23 still demand was not reduced still demand was increasing actually because migration 2020 to 23 lot of projects migration happened already they're working with traditional they're not happy with they migrated a lot so many projects migrated now migration projects are development enhancement are more now because already they migrated and new projects directly going with the Snowflake with the best choice for me so that's the reason guys I mean, as per our employment, we will think it's a good technology or not. Client is thinking 100 times more than us about this technology and they are using this technology in their project. So don't keep any doubts this technology is good or not to hire to sorry. Yeah, don't think about this technology is good direction or not. 100% it's good direction. Not only technology wise, even our working life also will be very balanced way. You can understand I'm giving training and I'm also I'm is for you. You don't have any real you will say, 50% comfort zone to comfort zone is my connection. Voice is breaking. Just a minute. I'm back. I'm back. I lost my connection. Is it now good for you? Is it good now? Internet problem. Okay. So, yeah. So simple and very easy way to understand you. I give very simple information about Snowflake. Okay. Now Snowflake is a cloud data warehouse. What technology you're learning means cloud technology with a data warehouse concepts. Okay. So data warehouse means again Sai Sri, I want to go with a very scratch level. No, not required. Here technology is designed very easily, very friendly. Topics only we have to handle. Just topics. So you no need to worry on the part of that. It's very easy to handle the topics also. Means straightforward, whatever things we are doing in normal traditional technology, that all we can overcome with this features of the Snowflake. So we can connect generally our technology, our course will be Snowflake will be the primary. On top of that, we will go with AWS integration, other related ADF I will teach you, and DBT also. So this is the data warehouse concept. This is the cloud services. In few projects, we will use like a source actually. That is the reason I involved this also. DBT mainly for transformations, only transformations. It cannot hold anything, just transformations it will handle. Okay, that is the purpose of all this technology. DBT is nothing but data build tool. The full form of DBT is build tool. Mainly for transformation purpose, we are using this. Okay. So traditional data where data architecture problems. So how we resolve in cloud, I will explain you. So generally, if you want to connect with the multiple sources in traditional, it's not straightforward. Okay, you have to take again. It's breaking. Okay, I'll give all the answers to your question. Okay. So traditional, I mean, actually many sources we are expecting in projects generally, there won't be like 4 to 5 sources. Project to project, many sources we have to connect. In that way, traditional warehouse, we will face some issues to connect directly with the traditional warehouses. But if you can go with the Snowflake, 100 plus sources, it is eligible to connect. 100 plus sources. So no need to worry on the source connection. Very easily 100 plus sources you can connect with the Snowflake and handling the semi-structured issues. Here in Snowflake, it will generally handle the JSON, XML, Parquet, Avro, WARC. So semi-structured files are handled by very easily handled by Snowflake, which we are facing in traditional and cannot easily shared. Yes, in traditional sharing the data is not easy, but in cloud we have data sharing concept in Snowflake very easy with the secured way. Very easily we can share the data. Okay, nobody can edit your data, just they will able to read. So like that data sharing concept very easily to handle this option. So if we go with the next option, scale and speed, yes, we cannot, if already it is working, we not scale up, we cannot scale out easily. We cannot increase the resources. But in Snowflake, we can do because multi-clustering concept is available. Already multi-clustering concept is available. Because of that multi-clustering concept, we can increase the resources, we can decrease the resources. We means not we. Automatically it will decide and it will handle. So automatically increase and decrease the resources are happen. That is the reason scale up and scale out is easily in the cloud comparing to the traditional. And queries also, whatever we are facing here, that we can resolve in the Snowflake. So resource maintenance, all this, whatever the drawbacks is there, able to handle in the Snowflake. Okay, and Snowflake don't have any hardware setup. Very easy guys. So straightforward Snowflake have only software setup. There is no hardware setup. So once we created the account, how we will create the Gmail ID? Like that, you have to create an account. That's it. But in traditional, you have to maintain the software, hardware setup. Once your technology is coming, mainly admin team, hardware team first they will work, then software team will come into the picture. But Snowflake is not like that. It's a ready product. Just you have to log in and you have to start working. And maintenance, no. In traditional we have maintenance, but in cloud we don't have because mainly cloud service layer is dedicatedly working for the maintenance purpose. That is the reason we have very less maintenance works. And languages, there also in cloud, in Snowflake also R language, Scala, Python, SQL, this all Java, JavaScript also going to be supported. But Snowflake is mainly created with SQL interface database. SQL. So you no need to worry what language, generally what is the expectation of Snowflake means only having the SQL knowledge. No, SaiSri, we don't have SQL knowledge means already our team is providing the recordings. You can go through the recordings and you can learn the SQL also. So no Python, no Java, no Scala, nothing. Purely SQL is enough to complete your works. No doubt in that. Including DBT also SQL. Nowhere I won't ask you in entire course. I never talk about Python only. Not required. Even including my projects also, I never use the Python. So dedicatedly we have to work on the SQL. If you know at least intermediate level, you can manage the interviews and your work also. Okay. And limited queries and uses in traditional that we can achieve in we don't have that issue in Snowflake. We have lot of unlimited where queries, unlimited users, unlimited roles we can create. 250 roles also is there in one of my project. 250 256 roles. So no restrictions and roles, users, queries level. Okay. So this all coming out of this cost mainly. Generally in traditional you have to reserve it, then you have to use it. But in cloud, not like that. Whenever you want, at that time only you can pick the space and you can use it. So only whatever you are using for that only you have to pay. So no worries in the usage also. So suddenly if your resources increase, data increases, resources will be increased. If your data decrease, resources will be decreased. So you can save your money. Cost mainly, cost maintenance is very easily you can save it. That is the reason. Client, if you go with traditional, client have to keep backup servers, backup database, all this space. Here not required. According to our business improvement data, based on the maybe festivals time, we'll have a lot of data because of our products. No regular days, we will get less data. So at that time, what whenever it increases, automatically it will increase. If you remove the data, automatically it will decrease. So maintenance of the clusters, database is very easy. Automatically it will handle the information. So this is Snowflake actually. On top of Snowflake, multiple sources we connect like APIs, web applications, or databases, extra any other applications, cloud providers, many things you can add, and you can do analytics on top of this, and you will share with the consumers. Maybe data science people or else Tableau, Power BI, they will come into the picture. So in middle, Snowflake will be there. So if you want, whenever you are creating the account, you can host on Snowflake, AWS, GCP or Azure. About this history, I will explain you clearly. No need to worry. Okay, later on I will explain. Just I'm giving information, but later on I will give very clear details about that history. Why we have to use that cloud providers. So here we have pricing also according to your generally you know versions, version 1, version 1.2 like that. Here no versions, only editions. Standard edition we have with the $2, but actually standard edition, the advanced features are not available, only basic features. That is the reason we will companies will choose enterprise, because whatever the features are available in standard edition, all the features are available in enterprise edition. So whatever the features available in standard, the standard edition plus remaining additional features are added, like time travel, mid-sized views, data sharing concept, like these multiple concepts are added here. So the enterprise edition, if it's a large scale industry, always better choice to go with enterprise industry. No, my data is very secured, it's a very sensitive data. Then enterprise edition is already added, plus extra features are added for security purpose. So business critical. So SaiSri, there is no security for these two, means no. We have security on 100%. We have these two editions also, but additional security will be added for business critical to handle the sensitive data. If any business person is expecting separate private Snowflake account for them only, virtual warehouse, everything separately, then business critical privilege, I mean, whatever the features is there, that plus additional features will be added. So maximum this option is very, I didn't see any projects with this option. You will see only enterprise edition or business critical edition, these two only. That's it. So these are the additions we have. Again, one more time I'll talk about these additions also in coming up classes. So it's still, SaiSri, can you compare with any other technologies? Yes. Redshift you can compare with the Snowflake. Okay. Redshift we have storage and compute both with a combination combinedly. But if you go with Snowflake, it's a completely separate storages. General I'm saying. So if you want to increase any resources because of that bundle of compute and storage, we cannot improve that. But here we can do because it's separate, right? If your storage layer and compute layer are separate, so you can, based on the requirement, you can increase the resources, you can decrease the resources. And semi-structured data, yes, in Snowflake we can handle. Easily scaling, yes, what we are missing that we can handle. And it is, this Redshift is only good for AWS. This is mainly good for all combination of technologies. So like this, if you compare with the Redshift, how much deep level also, Snowflake is best than Redshift. Even so, a few projects they are migrating from Redshift to Snowflake also. Those projects also available in the market. So that is the reason I'm saying, because here we have maintenance, here zero maintenance. Okay. If I want to go with any different, not cloud, other technology with Teradata. Okay. Teradata also same way. Compute and storage both are tightly linked part. But in Snowflake it is separate, right? So we have benefit to manage both separately. Okay. Semi-structured data. Mainly the one more issue what we remembered means, what I remembered means data backup. In traditional, in Teradata, it's a big work actually. It's not easy to do the data backup, but in Snowflake, it's very easy to do the data backup. Like this, lot of benefits are there comparing to Teradata, even Redshift, even BigQuery. BigQuery also like that only. Lot of benefits are there with Snowflake only. That is the reason we are going with the Snowflake now. Not only I, client is doing a lot of analysis before going to Snowflake. So he is satisfied with all the combinations and he is choosing the Snowflake. So client is choosing means demand is there available in market. If demand is there means it's good to go. Okay, and many people will get doubt. So I say after few days maybe no demand. Now it is there. Maybe in future, what will happen? See, this is not easy to remove it. Once the demand is added, we cannot remove the Snowflake that much easily. If you want to shift from Snowflake to other technology, it is totally cost based, right? You should get very good technology compared to Snowflake. Then only there is a chance of moving from Snowflake to other technology. So till that time you are safe zone, your job, career is everything is safe. So no need to worry on the Snowflake market. Okay. So tomorrow next class I'll show you how to create the account. Any doubt on this? You can unmute and you can ask now.
Hello everyone, this is Karthik again from RajCloud Technologies. Now I have enabled the unmute access for everyone. You can unmute yourself and you can ask your questions. Like what are the questions you have related to this stuff? You can unmute yourself and you can ask, please. Yeah. No one have any questions? Any stuff regarding the registrations, regarding the any of
Technology
your questions?
related,
Yeah,
market
technology related,
related,
anything.
any question, guys. It may be silly for others, but it's important for you. Ask me any kind of scratch question, I'm ready to answer. And in not only today in demo, I'm not saying you can check randomly. You check with any student or any recording of mine. Every session will be like this discussion only. Once I completed a topic, I will discuss with you. So be free from today onward. Okay, just let me know. Yeah, I don't know. Prajan, your name, sorry. Hello, you want to ask any question? Unmuted.
No, ma'am, no.
Okay.
So what will be the initial salary, ma'am, for a fresher? Like if you
Uh,
are yes, ma'am.
Okay, very fresher you are saying, right? Fresher
Yes,
means
ma'am.
at least you don't have 1 year experience gap also.
Like non-IT experience I do have, ma'am. So if I
Okay,
wanted, yes, ma'am. In non-IT, I do have more than 3 years experience, ma'am.
okay. So I cannot say you are fresher. You already experienced person. No. So what we will do means we will convert your profile from non-IT to IT.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you won't go as a fresher. You will go with experienced person. You have overall 3 years experience, right? For example. So in that, at least I'll keep 2 years. So SaiSri, can I handle the 2 years experiments? Without doubt, you can handle. I'm explaining almost five experience and knowledge I'm providing. Okay, too easily you can handle. We will change your resume from non-IT to IT. Okay.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Hey, hi, Sai Sri. Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, I have a question regarding DBT.
Hi. Tell me. Hi. Hear you. Tell me.
Yeah.
Okay,
My
please
question
ask
is
me.
regarding DBT. So you are going to create those models,
Okay.
right? Source model till load models, right?
Short in models also categories are there. Incremental, all this. I am going to show
Yeah.
you that. Snapshot, test
Understood.
cases, all.
My question is, are
Yeah.
we going to cover that Git repository part, or how it will be the models residing?
Obviously, without Git, I cannot complete the DBT. Without Git, I cannot complete the DBT subject. Snowflake, DBT, Git combination, I
And
will explain you. That is the real-time projects what we done.
those CI/CD
Can
process
you hear
models.
me? Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yes,
Yeah, those
I'm
CI/CD
going to
process
cover all.
and that merge request and all,
Yes.
are you going to cover those things?
Yes, all CDs also I'm going to cover. How to deploy the code, how to merge the code from one branch to another branch. Everything I'm
And
going to do. Sorry,
yeah, and
tell
you
me.
said, you said you are not using Python, for DBT coding. Like, are you using Jinja or something, or any other, or
Jinja
direct?
we are no. For syntax purpose, in DBT I will use Jinja.
Okay.
And SQL in the inside of DBT, I mean in Jinja, I mean in DBT we will start with Jinja. Inside of that we will use SQL only, pure SQL only. No need of anywhere. We don't want any Python for any transformation.
Any case you are using macros or something? No.
Obviously, macro is a topic again.
Okay.
Macro is for example, reusability of code. Any logic you want to reusable, anywhere you can create one time and you can reuse that macro. That's the topic.
Okay. Yeah, I'm good. Thanks, Saisri.
So DBT, whatever I done in real time, all that pre-hook, post-hook, So maximum you will be able to answer for all the questions, maximum. This all we are using in real time, all I'm going to cover.
Yeah, okay, Sai Sri, thanks.
Someone asked me about Python also. Actually, Python not required, guys. Who asked the 100% without Python only I'm working right now. Not only now, in multiple projects I worked with without Python only. So don't keep that doubt. If you are good with the SQL, you are good with your subjects. SQL only you have to do homework. Remaining all I am going to take care. See, taking the classes, providing the material, providing the recordings, and giving the guidance of your career, mock interviews, resume preparation. Only what you have to do means whatever I am explaining properly, you have to understand the concept. Not no need to by heart, just understand the concept properly, and you have to go through the interviews. That's the only work you have to do.
Hello, Sai Sri, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible now.
Sai Sri, I have question that I have already 3 years of experience in technical support, but my
Okay.
designation is software engineer. Can I
Mhm.
transfer this skill to technical support to Snowflake?
Yes, yes, you can transfer. See, whatever the designation, not only you, many people will have this issue, can. So here, who is having this issue, no problem. Because in resumes, when we are pushing through the resumes, we will keep software engineer only. On top of your, what will say, joining offer letter or relieving letter, that won't come into the picture. So you can convert it into Snowflake developer and you can apply. No problem.
For the development part, is it any coding tab or any kind of, if you go for the intermediate level, then any kind of coding is required for that? That way I'm asking you.
Coding only SQL. Select star from DML, joins.
So
This is
I'm asking for the like Scala or Snowpark.
that is big data technologies. You're talking about big data, Spark, Stella, PySpark, that all big data.
Snowpark.
Snowpark is not required here. Snowpark also actually big data. In Snowflake they're trying to add the Snowpark to improve more the technology. Okay, but as a Snowflake developer, completely it's not our part. Who is working as a data science? Those people will pick the Snowpark. If you pick the Snowpark, your profile direction will be changed.
Because I have a gap of 6 months. Is it any getting impact on my profile when I go
No
for
problem. If you have 6 months gap, you can take like you took a break because of your health issues or family dependencies. No, it is accepting that. No problem. Maybe MNC you may not get immediately offers, but remaining companies will get offers. No problem.
And what about Snowpipe and Snowcortex? It's new thing.
Snowpipe I'm going to cover. Snowpark is not our part actually. Not our Snowflake developer work. It's a different track again.
because when
Guys, 1 second. I'll just take 1 to 2 minutes. As I can see many questions regarding the course details. I'll just take 2 minutes max, and I'll just like show you something here, and we'll just like again like we'll be get back into the same Q&A session. Okay, no worries on that. So as I said, the complete information already, and for the registrations part, like you can contact us on these numbers. That is 8105296858 and 636163810. These two are the WhatsApp numbers and the calling numbers as well. Okay. And as I said, there is some special offer is available for you, right? Okay. You can see on the screen as well. On the home page, you can see about the offer and everything. This is a flat 20% discount is available. Okay. Flat 20% discount is available on all our trainings right now. So we are going to give you 20% offer on this course price. That is 3,000 rupees is a discount, and you are going to pay only 12,000 rupees. If you want to enroll, you can enroll here from the website directly also. You can just go to the website. You can click on evening batch directly. Ignore the timings here. Earlier it was 7 p.m. Now it is 5 to 6:30 p.m. Okay. You can just click on the enroll now. You can see here the coupon is already applied. That is a flat 20% discount. Okay. Expires on 1st of August. Expires on 1st of August. That means 31st night itself, it will expire. It won't be available on 1st of August. Before 1st of August itself, it is going to expire. This is 31st. Okay. And you can just fill your basic details. And if you are paying from Indian credit or debit card, you can select this. If you are from out of India and if you are using some international credit or debit cards, you can use this. Okay. And you are going to pay only 11,999 rupees. 11,999 is the course price. Okay. This is what you're going to pay. You can just click on transactions and you can click on pay and enroll now and you can go for the payment. Okay. So, and apart from this Snowflake, we are also going to provide you some extra course. I mean, you're going to get some complementary course as well. That is Oracle SQL, because as we need Oracle SQL for this Snowflake, we are going to provide it for free of cost for you. And in this training, you're going to get 10 videos, 15 hours of training duration is covered here. And these are the topics. These are the topics we covered in these 15 hours of content. Okay. And we accept all the payment modes: UPI, bank transfer, net banking, PayPal, okay, so Remitly, and all the international transfers. Okay, so EMI option, everything we accept. Okay, no need to worry about that. If someone want to go with UPI options, you can use these details today. Okay, see, whatever the information that if you receive from these two numbers, okay, that is 810-529-6858, you will get this number as Raj Informatica, and 63616-38108, you will get this number as Megha RajCloudTech. These two numbers, whatever the information you receive from these two numbers, you can fill it as genuine and you can make the payment to that numbers. Not a problem. Okay. Yes. And apart from this, I just want to show something about the reviews as well. Okay. So this is our open group actually, Snowflake batch number 9. This was our recent group. So where we completed our trainings as well. Okay. So you can see here daily we'll be posting when the meeting is started and when the sessions are uploaded, 51 session numbers are uploaded. In the same way, Sai Sri have asked some reviews here. You can see, and if you want, you can take a snapshots as well. Okay. So how the people have given the reviews and how they have highlighted about the doubts clearing sessions and everything. Okay. So that you can easily understand how she's going to deliver the trainings for you. Got it? How she's going to deliver the trainings for you. You can check out here. If you want, you can take a screenshots as well. There is no restriction for that. You can take out. This is how the people, if you want, I can zoom in as well. Yes. Okay. This will be fit. Yeah. Okay. This is how the people felt after the training. You can see here, after 52 classes, we have taken the reviews. After 52 classes, we have taken the reviews from them. Okay. This is how they felt. You can see the Sailaja review, Deepika review as well. And you can see our other students' reviews as well. Okay. If you want, you can take a screenshots also. Not a problem. You can see the Puja review here. If you want, you can take a screenshot directly. Why? Because I'm just scrolling the things, right? So I'm just scrolling all the reviews. If you want, you can take a screenshots and you can read it as well. Okay. This is how the people have reacted after 52 classes. I'm not taking any a first session or second session or after 10 classes. Okay. We have taken the reviews after 52 classes. You can see here. Session number 52 was uploaded to the website. Okay. So whenever sessions got completed, we are going to update here in the group like this. Okay. So this is how we communicate over the group and everything. Okay. You can see the reviews and everything. Okay. This is how people got the reviews for this Snowflake course. Got it? Yeah. Hope everyone have seen the reviews and everything as well. If you still have any questions, you can unmute yourself and you can ask me, please.
Video is uploaded on the same day or after the 24 hours or like that?
We have a website. Okay. We have a website. I'll show you the website as well. 1 second.
I've already registered with the course. Okay.
Sorry, your voice is too low. I'm not sure. Can you please repeat your question?
I'm asking for the video part.
I'm really sorry. Your voice got break. If someone who listened his question, can you please unmute and can you please explain me?
Now it's fine.
Yeah, now it's clear. Now it's clear. Please go ahead. Yes.
Okay. I'm asking for the video. Then how much time it will be uploaded to this site?
Okay, so it will take like around 2 to 3 hours to upload the video. So suppose like we got completed like at 6:30, by 9 o'clock you can expect the video to be in your account. Okay, so this is how you can access the videos. Okay, we have a Informatica, we have Raj Informatica website, razinformatica.com. In that you can just go to the student section, enroll courses will be there. As I am the admin, I have all the course access here. Okay, I have all the course access here. I'll just show you the previous Snowflake batch videos one. This is the batch 12. Okay, you can just click on this. You can just click on the course. You'll get start learning here at the right top corner. You can click on start learning again. You can click on start learning again. Left side, you can see the drop downs. Okay, session 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40, like that. Okay, you can click on one drop down, session 1 to 10. So this is how like we upload the sessions, like session 1 introduction to roles and users, roles and users part 2, architecture, shared disk. Okay, so virtual warehouse. In this way, like we'll rename the sessions as well, where you can easily like it helps you to access the session particularly. Okay, if you can just click on the session, like I'm just clicking on session number 2. If you just click on the session, right side it will open for you like a video. This is the video. This is the video. Just scroll down the video, you can get the material of the particular session. This particular session this particular session material you can get below the video itself. If you just click on download here, you can see whatever the material is available for that particular session. You can just check out here and you can download as well. You can download the material, but you cannot download the video. You cannot download the video. You can access this video anytime from a website directly, lifetime access. This video is having lifetime access. You can access anytime, but material you can download directly. You can download and you can store it in the folders wise as well. Okay, it will be easy for you to access. This is how we provide the recordings as well here.
And how can we clear our doubt if I get any kind of error like that?
You can ask in the session directly. See, before starting every session, she'll ask you if you have any previous class doubts, you can ask. Okay, at that particular time. So if you want to share your screen and if you want to ask your doubt also, yes, you can clearly share your screen and you can ask your doubt and you can complete it. Or else after completion of the session also, you can wait for 5 more minutes and you can share your screen and you can ask.
Okay.
Yes.
But I'm confused. When I practice in Snowflake in my system, then if I get error, then is it any group or is it anything will be provided by
Yeah, we have a group. Yeah, we have a group, as I shown you the group already. So this is like we'll be having a groups. Okay, so where if you have any doubts, you can post here and you can get cleared as well. Okay, so this is the group like where we'll be communicating on daily basis. Okay, so see, someone have posted the video, someone has posted their assignment screenshots. Okay, in this way, like you can communicate in the group directly. Okay, got it?
Yes, okay. And I'm also asking for the morning time. Is it also started from 1st of August?
So no, the morning session is already started. Okay, so and the sessions are already going on. You just like contact me personally and I'll help you with like how many classes we have done and how to manage everything. I'll just like help you. Okay, don't worry.
As per your how many classes?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. You just like communicate me personally. Like we can just connect personally and we can discuss all these things. Not a problem.
Okay.
Yes. Still, anyone having any questions, please? Still, anyone having any questions? If yes, you can unmute yourself. If not, can I get clear in the chat, please? If you have cleared with the complete information like what we have shared till now, okay, can I get word clear in the chat?
One more thing, can you share the full course curriculum?
Yes, Rishi Kumar, you can access from here. Okay, I can just like show you, I can share the link. Okay, this is the website. Okay, so just go to the courses section here. You can see Snowflake training. If you click on Snowflake training, you can see this page. Just scroll down, you can see course curriculum. Okay, so whatever the Oracle we
Okay.
are covering, you can see the
Download
Oracle
link.
here.
Okay.
Okay, all this content you can see here, and I am
Mhm.
sharing this link also in the chat. Using this
Okay.
link, you can
Okay.
just check it out.
Okay. One more thing, this DBT tool is a licensed version or like is it a free tool? Like I'm not aware, so that's the reason I'm asking.
Sai Sri, can you please take up that?
Come again, DBT is?
He's
I'm
asking
asking
DBT is
whether
a
DBT
paid.
is
Okay.
yeah, licensed tool or is it a free like for
Yeah,
us to
it's not
practice?
free. Actually, it's a paid one only for companies. For us, it is a free trial
Okay.
account. All AWS, Azure,
Okay.
Snowflake, DBT, all we will go with the free trials only in practice.
Okay. 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 Sure. Note. How many days we can use that free trial for DBT
Free
or
trial,
something?
Snowflake 30 days, Azure AWS one
Ah.
year each one, and DBT also lifelong. DBT is lifelong for solo developer. Team wise we cannot use.
Okay.
Group of people cannot use more than 14 days. But
Okay.
solo developer lifelong we
Okay.
can use.
Okay, like Snowflake once 30 days is completed, like again we need to use new email
Same
ID
mail ID,
to
yeah.
get
Using same mail ID, you can
a,
create one more account. No problem in that.
oh, okay, sure, okay.
Sai Sri, this is Ajay. Actually, I have
Like I have total 7 years of experience. The last question from my end. Like I have 7 years of experience on which I've worked on Oracle SQL, PL SQL, and Python. So in case if I'm putting in my resume, like how many years I need to prove
You
as
can
like
go with 3.5
Snowflake,
years.
like 2, 3 years,
3.5 years is enough.
3 and a half.
3 or 3.5. 3.5 is enough.
Okay, fine.
Recently,
And
people
one
started
more thing, like
migrating.
yeah, any help provided on the kind of this one
Resume
certifications?
certification, I'll guide you
Resume.
according. Resume preparation will be included. Certification is personal interest, right? If they ask me, I'll guide you based on
Okay.
the situation, timeline, all this. I will check and I will guide them.
Okay. 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 And any assistance on the placements, like getting the calls or something like?
Yeah, Naukri is the best of platform. Always, I will say, including me, I will follow same.
Okay.
But still, I mean, RajCloud or myself, anyone have the opportunities, information, we will share in the group itself.
Okay, sure. Okay.
Both you can use, yeah,
Thank you.
internal and external.
Yeah, thank you.
That other, yeah, Shashi.
Sai Sri. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Karthik, can you show them like, how to get the Snowflake syllabus? Rupa is asking. Yeah, you can continue with your questions, Ajay or something.
Yeah. So, hi Sai Sri, this is Ajay. So basically, I have overall of 14 years of experience. So all throughout, I have worked on Informatica Power Center and SQL. Okay. So now the SQL, right? I've been in the same project for a couple of years, right? So the scope of expanding on the SQL is not that as much you see in when you go out, right? When you go, yeah. So what
Same.
is, yeah.
Same
So
queries you will use maximum.
yeah,
Already, yeah, 1 year only we'll get bored like the same queries, same things will be no problem.
so
SQL, Snowflake related SQL, don't expect you should be pro or advanced like that. We will
okay,
use joins. For interview purpose, I am looking more into interview purpose only. Once you cleared the interview, Snowflake using SQL inside of Snowflake is not a matter. You can refer anywhere how to get the requirement related logic, right? At least keyword something. For
correct.
interview, you are able to write the queries. That is my expectation from every student. Even including me, I am also writing always DDL creations, merge statements continuously. I suddenly, if you ask me out of that, I won't get idea like how to build the query. It takes time. It is not tough for us, but it takes time without any outside sources generally, because we are not doing regular practice, right? So to avoid that issues in interview, I'm asking you to practice, brush up the SQL. But in real time Snowflake, you won't see that much tough queries, joins, case statements, CTE concepts, regular work. There also, once you start using one particular combination, maximum you'll follow the same queries, repeated work.
So to brush up these sequels, right? So we have multiple platforms like the Lead
Mm,
Code or
Yes,
the online interview questions. So
yes.
that would help, right?
100% will help actually. These people who is taking interview, they
Mm.
also searching there only, right? For asking SQL questions because they also same like us only, writing the same query. Suddenly they cannot ask their own questions, right? So you follow the interview question, intermediate level interview questions, SQL mainly. If you
Mhm.
search those questions, you are able to answer without seeing the outside sources. You are good with SQL. One or two interviews, you will understand what will be the pattern also. Same
Mhm.
pattern. Join condition compulsory one question. Substring
Okay.
or list aggregation one question. My case, I
Okay.
mean, when I gave interview, continued the same question. And
Okay.
any other SQL question extra. That's it. Like writing apple one, banana two, one like that. One means apple comma banana, something like that. List
Oh,
aggregation. This kind
okay.
of questions only you'll see. One or two interviews you will get idea what they will ask you.
Okay. Okay. So because being in the same project, right, we don't know what is
Ah.
going on the outside world, right?
Outside, yeah, that's the reason. To make your hands free, whatever you said now, just practice like that only. Queries, interview queries. That's it.
Ah,
Even
okay.
including me also, after 2 years, if I'm looking for interview, another interview, to make
Mhm.
myself comfort to write any query, I will practice 1 or 2 days. SQL only. Snowflake, I won't touch. SQL, I will touch.
Okay. Okay. Sure, Sai Sri. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Who are learning with 10 recordings or 11 recordings, whatever the RajCloud is providing. Apart from that, to make your hand, if someone is throwing one question to you, you should be able to structure it, right? You are able to frame the answer query to it. So that way you have to practice. One day, 1 week, you cannot achieve. We have almost 2 months training. I'm going to take almost near to 2 months. In these 2 months, every day, half an hour is enough to learn SQL. You can crack your SQL interview, no problem. For 2 to 3 questions, they will ask you, maximum 5 questions.
Okay. Sure. Thank you.
Thank-
Hey, hi, Sai Sri. My name is
Hi,
Bharat.
yeah, Bharat. Yeah.
So I'm a mainframe developer with
Okay,
15 years of experience.
okay.
So mainly like last few years, I've been working on the data warehousing side, mainly extracting the data from the DB2, performing the CDCs, like using the file balancing logic, and copying it to Informatica for
Okay.
loading it to Oracle. So I just want to know, like by learning Snowflake, how good are the chances that we can migrate this huge data volume onto Snowflake? Like, is the system is robust enough to handle such volume of data? Like how the mainframe is doing now?
Yeah, data-wise, we no need to worry. Actually, we won't take any specific steps from our side to handle the data. Snowflake itself have that capability to do.
Okay,
So we have to keep our total brain into the logics, SQL logics. That's it.
okay. So
Creating the pipelines to
mhm.
because the different services we will pull the data, right? Project to project source will be changed. Sometimes repeated source. That is a different story. That case and inside transformations. This only our main agenda. Remaining all maximum our things are managed by Snowflake only.
So, are you aware of any of such migration from mainframe to Snowflake, like from the like connecting?
No, APIs I heard actually using REST API doing migration, pulling the data, not migration. You're saying mainframes, right? Mainframes is not data warehouse, I think so.
No, that's what, like we extract the data from DB2, perform the CDC, and then give it to Informatica Power Center
Okay.
to load it
Then
into Oracle.
Informatica to Snowflake, we have migration projects previously. We
Okay,
have those projects is there.
okay, okay. Because I'm aware of I know the concept. Like I have some idea on Informatica Power Center.
Okay, then you can keep Informatica to Snowflake combination projects in your resume. That is
Okay,
based on many projects. In 2023, I remember. So I heard many projects Informatica migration only. I heard a lot actually at that time, 23 time.
okay, okay,
Now new projects already connecting directly with Snowflake, right? Migration projects reduced. Whatever the existing projects is there, enhancements happening.
okay, okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thanks.
Yeah, someone posted me question. Yes, if you are a science person, also no problem. You can have a trial with Snowflake. It won't be tough for you. Even you're not background of IT, no problem. Just you have. I will consider you as a pure non-IT. It's a science background or whatever. We no need to think to nowadays. Nowadays, things are changed. What we studied and what we are doing after 10 years, what we'll do. All are different, right? So we have to change our brain. That's it. You can try, no problem. This is best only.
We have tried different students like who is currently having a 10 years of career gap, 12 years of career gap, and who got successfully job, and who are currently like happily working right now. From last 6 months, they are happily working. Okay, so even the people who is having no experience into IT, like they are working on BPO, and few are working as a teachers as well. Okay, so these people go get into our training. So after completion of our training, they are successfully shown 3 years, 4 years experience as well, and they have cleared the interviews. The complete part here is how you are going to dedicate your time on the course, how you are consistent towards the course. These two things matters a lot. Okay, so if you can spend your time, so definitely like you can crack the interview. That's not a big deal. So this is how like we can help you with the complete this is how I can give you the complete confidence for you. Okay, even if you are completely a non-IT guy, even if you are having a huge career gap of 7 to 10 years as well, you no need to worry. You can easily showcase a 4 years of experience, the basic 4 years of experience on Snowflake, and you can try. Yeah, definitely you can start. So my graduation completed in the year of 2013. Yeah, you can showcase last 4 years of experience and you can try. And if they ask you like what we have done earlier before 4 years, you can say that I'm working in non-IT, or you are taking care of your family business, something you can say. And from last 4 years, you got job on Snowflake and you're working on so-and-so projects. Now I'm just switching for my career. In this way, you can explain your profile and you can switch. Sai Sri, can you see that question that Rupali has posted here?
Yeah,
Can you
yeah.
please explain in short
Uh,
that? Yeah, please.
You're going with Informatica and Snowflake. Informatica is also data warehouse only. Snowflake is also data warehouse only. But now comparing to Informatica, Snowflake is in the trend, right? That is the reason migration is happening between Informatica to Snowflake. Informatica also data warehouse concept. 5 to 6 years or 7 years back, it's a very like a popular technology in the market. Everyone knows about Informatica keyword. Now slowly cloud, right? Informatica cloud also available in market. Still, companies are showing more interest with Snowflake. That is the reason we are seeing migration. Are you getting my point? Okay, thank you. And you have someone said you graduate 2013. You done the graduation. After that, career gap. If we go into deep into, suppose you are the, I don't know your name, but generally if you are female, no problem. We can give excuses with our personal life reasons. Like some people will get the gap, right? Generally, males will work immediately. Females will get gap because of many personal reasons. We can give that excuses and we can try with your profile. Not a problem. Means I'm just giving overview. If I speak with you, I can understand what is the best track for you. Okay?
So I see a question. So
Yeah.
in Informatica Cloud, usually we have services like data integration and
Yes.
application integration,
Yes,
and
yes.
yeah, in administration we have like connectors for different sources.
Sources,
So
yes.
yeah, so similarly there will be similar setup for Snowflake as well.
Yes, Snowflake also have connectors.
Okay.
So many places, previously only few connectors are added. Now gradually they are increasing the connectors. In place of doing that multiple ways, directly you can make the connector, you can get the connector and you can add the technology, I mean source.
Okay.
They're adding, continuously they're adding. Still you will get more connectors in Snowflake. Already available like service now connector, PLSQL connector. Like a few connectors already available, still they are increasing. Snowflake, when I observed initial days Snowflake, now it's a lot of differences. So many updates has happened. But you no need to change versions here. Automatically, it will affect.
Okay. And
In other
stuff like the
technologies, we have to yeah, if we go with the version 1, we may miss the updated things, right? Generally.
correct.
Here, no issue. If something updated, it will affect on the account automatically.
Okay. And sample projects, stuff like recipes and stuff like that in IACS is there. So similarly, do we have some example projects?
Sample data they will provide. Project they won't provide. Data.
Okay.
Whatever transformations you do, you can do on that. You cannot edit the data, but you can do transformation.
Because sometimes in Informatica Cloud they have like those SCD types already.
That already available here.
Okay.
Stream concept is nothing but SCD type 2, for example. In DBT, snapshot is nothing but SCD type 2. Like the time travel is that. Backup means you will do a lot of work in other technology. Time travel is a simple, straightforward backup. General and saying.
Okay.
Like the task purpose. If you want to schedule any job, task is there directly. So
yeah, I mean that's the difference which I notice whenever I see interview questions in Snowflake. The terminology is a little different between the platforms. And
obviously.
something else.
People in other technologies they will call EC2 instant virtual warehouse generally, right? Here we will call clusters. Both are both purpose is same. We will use means in any platform the purpose is same. So few terminologies, that's it.
So you will kind of compare those two as well, like in the course, or maybe if you ask questions.
Yeah, when I'm explaining, nobody will ask you what is EC2 instance in AWS and what is the clustered in AWS in Snowflake. That's a literally blind. They won't ask you, but when I am explaining, for students' comfort zone, they cannot jump directly into Snowflake, right? For me, no need of that information, but you required. So I will compare with few technologies. At least few people will be able to handle that terminology easily.
Yeah.
For the comfort zone, I will use some other technology to compare.
Okay.
But interview, nobody will compare you. No need to worry on that.
Correct, no comparison. Yeah. Also, I mean, how does it differ from Databricks, like between Snowflake and
Databricks are completely. I also worked with Databricks. I have like hands-on experience. Not now, 5 years back. Databricks is completely Python background. PySpark is the best thing to use in data. If you are using Databricks, means for which technology means PySpark, best thing because it's created for that technology only, platform and Scratch platform. Snowflake is for SQL. We cannot compare this both, but both places we will do transformations. I'll agree with that. But that is a big data background stuff. This is totally data warehouse related. Like this, now I am saying time travel, task, streams. Generally, I'm saying few concepts, right? Like small 10th class people also, if they sit properly 1 month, means they can try now on our college. Generally, I'm saying because less code, more options we have to use in Snowflake. Syntax is also fixed syntaxes. If you use 100 project, also syntax won't be changed. Topic will be same, right? They fix the topic, just we have to reuse in the project. But if you go to Databricks, you have to reconstruct that issue topics, right? Generally, whatever we want to achieve. That like that, lot of differences is there. There also you can handle PySpark topics. If you pick, you can reduce the code actually directly. PySpark related functions, all this we can use generally. But Snowflake, both are different platform. Both are cloud, I will agree. Both helps us to get the analytics, I will agree. But if you want pure SQL combination, means Snowflake is the best.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
PySpark, big data people feel near to that technology. I worked with big data, I explored all those.
Yeah, the only thing is, when you look in Naukri or anywhere for broad data engineering jobs, right? Usually a lot of technologies and so confusing sometimes.
Who is creating that actually? Genuinely, because one, I forgot that batch actually. If I remember, I used to ask my team to pick that. I didn't remember, but they clearly how blender mistakes they are doing means wherever they want do, they kept don't. Do means what? They must require that skill, right? They kept don't, not 1 or 2 lines. Entire entire requirement they kept don't points only. See, you can understand how dedicated, how they are dedicating their time to create the requirement. I will say clearly, I will do one thing in my profile also. Not only you, I am joining every 2.5 years, maximum 3 years. After that, completely I will change my job. I like to explore more projects, so I will switch it. With that experience, I'm saying I will look at the heading: is it Snowflake developer or not? If it is Snowflake developer, if I'm given near to 5 years experience also, I'll apply for 7 years profile. I'll apply for 3 years profile. 3 to 7, middle my experience is 5. Still, I'll apply for any of this experience profiles. I will add. I won't check any JDs. That who is the technical person will shortlist require. I mean our profiles, right? They know proper requirement. This HR team who is keeping, they're doing copy paste from ChatGPT or from other profiles. They're completely giving wrong information. They will ask Python. If I sit in interview, they know the people who sat in interview they don't Python. Actually, that project don't have any Python requirement. So
Correct. Yeah. Yeah.
so leave about
That's the
the
challenge,
JDs.
you know.
JDs are. I'm doing this from 4 to 5 years. I will never bother about JD. I'll apply. That's it. I won't check companies also because attending the interviews is also one talent. If you have that talent perfectly, then no companies can make you down. 100% somewhere will get opportunities.
Thank you, Trish.
Yeah. Others, any question you can ask, guys. There's no restriction here.
I can see there is a question from I think Bharat.
Already
Bharat,
answered.
Like, 10 to 12 LP, I have just like given the package as well.
Yeah. Okay.
Have you answered to Sai Sri already this? How much package we can expect, like if we try with 3 years of experience?
Can you hear my voice? Yeah, the 3 years
now we can hear you.
Okay. Actually, in market, I don't know your package generally, roughly 10 to 15 lakhs is possible. And one more thing is, you have to observe this change also. After lockdown period, 2023 or 24 also I can say, 24 almost 24 also we can include. People come lot of packages. Experience they're not looking requirement at the job immediately they gave a lot of high packages comparing to experience. Now people are now companies are checking we are giving reasonable package or not. Now they started cutting that unlimited package for less experience. So don't be in that zone. And now maybe your friend having 20 lakhs for 3 years, when he want to join another job, 20 lakhs is not his category. 4 years will have 20 lakhs package, not for 3 years. So like that, he may okay here, but next opportunity he cannot crack it. Getting 20 lakhs also very tough for him. So as per market, now market strategies is changed. You have to observe that also. So according to 3 years, I think 10 to 15 is a good package. MNCs means 10 lakhs, minimum 10 lakhs they will prefer. Normal mid-level companies 15 lakhs, still 15 lakhs they will offer based on your current salary. So not only him, Bharat, everywhere I'm saying. Now IT was changed. They changed their thought process on salaries also. Okay. But what still why Snowflake is benefit means Snowflake is giving good package. As per my experience, I'm getting good package. I already reached to market limit. So like that, my students also so many people touch the market limit. What is the limitation? Still, we have safe zone to get new opportunities. So having more opportunities is says we are in the safe or not. Okay. Okay, then done from my side, Karthik. Yeah, you can.
Okay, Sai Sri, thanks for the confirmation. So still anyone having any questions, you can unmute. Okay, so this is completely interactive session. Any questions? Okay, so if someone is still like, if they want to try with some kind of experiences, like we said, right? If you're having a career gap of 3 years, 4 years, if you want to try with experiences also, yes, we will help you with experience certificates too. Don't worry about it. So how to go for the experience and everything, we'll help you at the end of the session. Okay, I mean, end of the batch. Okay, end of the batch, like we are going to guide you on this. No need to worry. Okay. So after completion of the training, like how many years of experience that you can try, how to build your resume, how to apply for the interviews, and where the opportunities are available right now, and what are the job roles that you can apply for. Okay, so how to shortlist the JD, the many things. Okay, so we'll help you on these things. See, we will provide the assistance in the same way, whatever you're getting on the first day, you're going to get the same assistance even after 1 year, even after 6 months, even after 8 months. Okay, so whatever the assistance you are getting, so I hope like any of our previous candidates are there here, you can unmute yourself and you can say your experience as well. Okay, see, whatever the questions you have, surely if you can reach out to us at any time. Okay, it might be after 3 months of your completion of your course, after 1 year of the completion of your course. And I have a students who joined our first batches of Informatica and joined many courses now. Okay, we don't look for any candidate for only one course. Okay, as we have the many upgradations here. Today you may take Snowflake. Okay, today you may take Snowflake. After completion of Snowflake, after 6 months or after 1 year, you may again come up for the generative AI, or you may again come up with the Azure as per your project requirement. You may again come up for some other courses, some other like a kind of Power BI one. Okay, so in this way, like we treat you, so no need to worry about that. Even if it is after 1 year also, you'll get the replies from our end, even from the instructor end as well. Okay, yeah, no need to worry about that. So if you have any questions, you can unmute yourself and you can ask. Otherwise, you can just like confirm me in the chat so that like we can end up the meeting and you'll get the recording as well. Whoever want today's session recording, you can just drop your name and WhatsApp number in the chat. You'll get today's session recording as well. Got it? And if you can want to see some interview questions on the Snowflake, you can just go to the interview section here and you can just click on Snowflake and you can get some interview questions as well. Okay. Yes. Any questions from anyone? Yeah, that's what I said, you Rupali. Okay, so we are going to provide the experience certificates as well. That means like we have tied up a partnership with some company. Okay, so where they will provide the complete certifications as well for you. That is from offer letter to relieving letter, experience letters and everything. Okay, so bank statement. Okay, so original form 16, everything he'll provide and he'll help you. He will help you with the background verification process as well. No need to worry about that. Our site still the session is going on, right? So it will take some time to convert the meeting and to provide the recording. You can just drop your WhatsApp number. You'll get the recording tonight or tomorrow morning. Mostly by tomorrow morning, first hours, you can get the today's session recording. Got it? Still any questions from anyone? I hope like everyone is done with your questions. Thank you all. Thank you for joining session today. So if you have any questions also, you can reach out to me on this number 810-529-6858. Okay. This is the WhatsApp and calling number as well. You can reach out to me on this number. If someone want to enroll now, I said you right. You can just directly go for this website and you can just click on pay and enroll now and you can go for the payment. Okay. And if you want to go for the UPI details, yes, I can share you the UPI number as well. This is the PhonePe GPay number. This is the PhonePe GPay number. You can just like make the payment here and you can share the screenshot to us. Got it? And whoever is enrolling now, you are going to get the first 10 classes recordings. Okay. As I said you, the first 2 weeks you will be having alternative days. Alternative days is nothing but Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday you will be having classes for first 2 weeks. Okay. In these first 2 weeks, what you can do, even you can get these first 10 classes recordings and you can watch these recordings and you can practice meanwhile. Okay. Once the batch gets started, you are going to hear the same classes once again in the live also. That means the next session is on Friday now. Okay. On Friday, whatever the session is going to happen, you can watch it today also. You can see the session number 1 today also. Got it? And you can see after first session, there will be second session, right? Second session will be on Monday. Okay. What you can do the Monday session, you can listen on the Sunday itself or Saturday itself only. Okay. So this is how it will help you to understand. Whenever you hear the recording first, suppose you got the knowledge of at least like 30 to 40% by watching the video. And when you are attending the live session, you can ask whatever the questions you have and you no need to revise again. Once you listen the class and attend the live session at that particular time, you won't get any questions. And first of all, you won't get, you no need to repeat the session multiple times as well. If someone is attending the session first time live and they need to go through the recording again as well, correct? But whoever is going the recording first and then again going with the live session, for these people, you no need to recall the session again. The time that you are spending on that one session will be very less and you can practice in that time. You can utilize the time and you can save that and you can save it for practice also. Got it? You'll get the next class schedule and everything before 24 hours. Don't worry about it. Yeah, Ajay, please go ahead.
Karthik, so after making the payment for this Google Pay number, should we share the screenshot or I should call you the screenshot?
Anything is fine. Okay, you can share the screenshot to this number. This is 8105296858 or this number. These two are our official calling and WhatsApp numbers. Okay. Once after making the payment, you can just share the screenshot to any of these two numbers or give me a call directly. I'll guide you on that, like how to do the next steps and everything. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay.
Sure, Karthik. Yeah. Thank you.
Yes. Yeah. Still any questions from anyone, please? I hope everyone is done with your questions, correct? Yeah, thank you all. Thank you for joining session today. Before ending the session, I request everyone to subscribe our YouTube channel. This is our YouTube channel. Okay, Raj Informatica real-time hands-on job-based training. Every recording, you'll get it here, okay? Even today's session recording also, you're going to get in this channel. So just subscribe to the channel, click on bell icon. You'll get all the updates as well. Got it? Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you all for joining session today. Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you.